I'm the captain now. Hey guys, so today we're gonna be building this guy, which is the Orlando SWAT insignia. A good friend of mine asked to see if I can build one, and I was gonna paint it all, but I ended up going a bit different route. One of the most difficult projects I had to do in quite some time. Let's see if we can make it happen. I mean, granted, we didn't make it happen, but anyways, I'm not gonna kill the suspense now. I already did all the lightnings or whatever they're called, and I'll save the last one here. So it's pretty sketchy to do because A, they can shake off and snap off. It's not like, look at how much flex this is having, and that's like not good flex either. So the way I do it is, let me see how I move the camera around. So the way to go about it is we hang it off the corner and we push, and we can't be like Bob Ross and have happy little accidents because we want all our fingers back, and so we just. And so what I'm doing, instead of pushing this out, I'm pushing the whole thing in, so this way this, as it gets cut more and more, doesn't vibrate off and snap off. So that seems to be working pretty well so far. Last one, but I'm gonna go ahead and, so this is white, that's black, white with the red inside. So what I'm gonna do is I'll pop this out and I'm gonna try to cut around the teeth, and fingers crossed it worked. I think the idea I have is right, but I just want to put this on camera. Hopefully none of that is wasted, and we'll see what happens. All right, moment of truth. No going back from here. I'm just gonna dremel out. I decided not to cut these through and just dremel them out with the lines, and then once it's painted black, then I'll just hand paint the white and the red in the eye. And all this really is just like using a noisy, oversized, heavy pen, and then you just turn it on and go zzz. So let me see if I can hold the camera and do it at the same time. So I'll clean it up a little bit. You can see this side is much more round than this one, but if you can write, you can basically use a Dremel. And let me show this real quick. So that's why I wanted to paint, cut the other one more, because this, all the lines are Dremeled out. And so then I use that as a guide, and then I paint it all in, but that is very, very time consuming. So same thing kind of here. That's why I'm just not even finishing this up. But that one right there, I can just now spray paint all of it and then screw the backing in, and it's just so much easier to do. And everything was good. The only thing I did mess up, and I'll fess up to it, so I went to move this around and actually snapped it. So fortunately it's a really clean break. So once it's popped into place, like, it's almost impossible to tell. Let's focus this real quick. So yes, it's right there. You can see a little better from the side. So I'm gonna go ahead and glue it, let it sit overnight, and then I'll just paint it all tomorrow and start doing the background and stuff like that. But great success. It's coming out really, really good. I'm very happy with it. The camera will pick it up, but this comes out after a couple layers of spray, but it's pretty dry. However, this right here is after the brush on paint that I tried, so we're gonna go ahead and brush the whole thing. It's just gonna come out way better, even though it's a little more work. But we gotta be careful here, because we don't want all the nooks and crannies to collect all that paint. So what we're gonna do is just gonna dab it all. Right, it's all finished. I didn't know what else to put. I didn't want to put the guns in the picture, but so I put a little ammo can I have there with my random shenanigans. But came out pretty sick. Way too much pain in the butt, but so worth it. And so the sides I went ahead and painted by hand, and I had to go around twice because the lighter colors usually do not cover the black very well. But what you gonna do? Look into my eyes.